How to duplicate a camera in Clip Studio Paint. Well, you need a 3D model or something like a panorama. And you can go over here, materials. And you can see I've got here night and forest. I'm just going to drag and add that. And you can see this image. This is using Camera 1 or camera as it says. Find all the panels in window and down here. Material, you see panorama there. We've also got tool property and object. That's the key panel. Here's the panel. Just drag that over here and you can see switch camera. Got a load of other functionality as well, but switch camera. You can click this, duplicate current camera, or you can just click here and duplicate this one, camera. Should be called Camera 1. Unfortunately, you can't rename it, or it doesn't seem to give that feature. So duplicate. You can also select it and delete. But I'm just going to go with Camera 2 now. Well, once you've got that selected, you can turn around and say, oh, let's change the X. So I want to just move it around so you can see that building there or that tree. You can also change the Y position. You can also change perspective. Zoom out like that so you can get real extreme camera. You can go up here again. Camera 2 selected there, I can duplicate the current one. So now I've got Camera 3. I'm using Camera 3. I can turn around and say, well, this time I don't want that. I want a different. So I'm just going to create a roll, maybe change the camera X there and Y. Create again another very extreme scene. And that's Camera 3. And you can just go back and forth. So Camera 1, Camera 2, or Camera 3, and you can swap between them, which means of course if you're coming to draw or use it of course in other ways, but if you're drawing say an image from this, you can just simply say, oh, I want that angle or this angle, and you can swap between them. I think it's really great. Not only that, of course, you can add 3D models, other 3D models. Just go here to body type. Let's go for male and just drag that into there. And of course you can reposition that, angle it, move it around. So I'm going to go with that. But now, of course, it's in that position there, and that's Camera 2. Well, I can go to Camera 1. Let's just go to Camera, and you can see Camera 1. Again, I could draw that scene. Click here, Camera 2. Camera 3. Create a very unusual image there. But of course, what I can do, any of the images, so if I move that around, reposition it, it's just the camera. So any pose that I make here, if I go to the other camera, so Camera 2, you can see the pose exactly the same as before. There. Just run through that. And that's creating the camera. And of course, at any point, you can always delete them if you wish. Hope you found this of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.